Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from your picture using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my browser, and first thing first, we need to search for this website, clean up pictures. You just need to type in clean up pictures, and you can visit this website to remove the emoji from your photo. And we can click here or drag an image file. I'm going to click here and I'm going to upload a photo from my device. Wait guys, I'm still looking for the photo. Wait. Okay, this one. I'm going to remove emoji from this photo, and I'm going to click on continue with SD. And if we want to remove the emoji, we just need to brush the emoji like this, and then you can click on this eraser icon, and the emoji will be removed from your photo. As you can see that the emoji has been removed guys. And if you want to download the photo, you can simply click on download, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove emoji from our pictures using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.